Turning now to the U.S., it's day 14 of the government shutdown with no end in sight. Senate Republicans took to the floor once again today to vote on the recent House-passed Clean Continuing Resolution to fund the government. But once again, Democrats voted it down. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales joins us with the latest. Erik.
Well, good evening, Veronica. Yes, this was the 8th time Democrats blocked the Clean CR from passing, which would have funded the government till the end of November. Now, Democrats are digging in, demanding that the Republicans restore over $1 trillion in health care cuts and permanently extend Obamacare subsidies, which are set to expire at the end of the year. But Republicans point out, even if they wanted to do that, House Speaker Mike Johnson says that it would be a complicated process.
If indeed the subsidy is going to be continued, it needs real reform. But there's a lot of ideas on the table to do that. Probably 100 different ideas on how to fix it, but we can't do that overnight. That requires the month of October and probably part of November to get the consensus built around that.
But Democrats say they are standing strong.
And address the health care crisis that they've created, including by extending the Affordable Care Act tax credits. That's what we need to do right now.
Speaker Johnson adds Democrats' plans have no way to pay for the extensions.
It is impossible and it is inappropriate for Democrats to demand what they know what they're saying isn't true, to demand that should be part of the negotiation today for a simple continuing resolution.
Right now, some 24 million people are on Obamacare, and without the extension, its estimated premiums would more than double, resulting in more than 4 million people losing coverage because they simply can't afford it. But conservative groups say it will cost the government $350 billion over the next decade to continue.
There are better ways to do it than what is being done today. The system that we have today can work better for those people and better for the taxpayer if we reform it.
Other Democrats are urging President Trump to get involved and negotiate a deal.
A lot of my Republican colleagues share the concern about folks they represent losing health care, seeing the premiums go up by $10,000 or $15,000. They share that concern, but they don't feel authorized to add it without Trump. So Trump can be a hero here.
It is important to note that President Trump has said that he is open to extending the subsidies, but he wants to get the government open now first with a clean CR. About 3 out of 4 Obamacare enrollees live in states that Trump won in 2024. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.